Hello guys, it's your friend and coach Raquel reporting live from my kitchen, and today I want to show you how to use the Herbalife Relaxation Tea. Let me explain to you what the benefits are. It is a specially formulated herbal blend of lemon balm, passion flower, lavender, and chamomile to help support relaxation. Lemon balm is traditionally used to help cope with occasional stress, maintain a healthy mood, and improve restful sleep. Rest and rejuvenate with a cup of this calming tea with no added caffeine. The serving size is 1/4 of a teaspoon. You shake the bottle before opening it. You open it, serve it, and then you can drink it cold or hot. I'm going to do it hot. The water is hot. There we go. It's got a minty flavor. If you are already using the Herbalife product, you can actually mix this with like a lift off or even the original tea that does have caffeine. I just wanted to show you guys how to prepare it. This is how the label looks like. Relaxation tea, chamomile and lavender. That just blows my mind away. And it's delicious. It's got this like minty taste. Chamomile, it's amazing. I really recommend it. And well, I hope you guys enjoy this video.